Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Play Store can't update app. So guys, here you can see I want to update my YouTube app and facing the issue that can't update. So guys, how can you update any kind of app in your Play Store? So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after back, you need to go back and open your settings in your Android phone. And guys, after this, you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that any kind of Wi-Fi is connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget, and after click on forget you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and open your Play Store app. And guys, after this, you need to click on your main profile and click on settings. And guys, after this, you need to click on about, and here is the option of update Play Store. So guys, you need to update your Play Store. And guys, after doing update, you need to go back and you need to open your settings in your phone again. And guys, after this, you need to scroll down, click on app management. And guys, after this, you need to click on app list, and here you need to find Google Play Store. So guys, here is the option of Google Play Store. You need to click here and click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache and clear storage. So guys, after doing these settings, you need to go back and check that your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.